Can I take it home? Can I borrow it for the weekend? Bro, it's been... How many years do you think it's been since the last time we came here?
6 years.
6 years? To Blizzard?
Didn't we come last year?
No.
When Typhoon was closed?
No.
Yes.
No.
Check.
It's been years, bro. Anyways, yeah, I gotta check my memories, double check.
Yeah.
Here we go. I was just nervous because I got beer in my bag.
Oh.
And sometimes they ask to check your bag. So I was just trying to like do the finger as quick as possible. Bro, do they have Starbucks here? I need coffee.
Yeah.
No, they don't. They don't have Starbucks here.
What's funny?
What happened? What happened? Oh, there's a little bit of...
I forgot that you can get towels here.
They're like, you gotta rent them, no?
Oh, here they just give them.
Oh, snap. I did not know that. Oh, he had beer on it? Yeah. I peeped that. Yeah, he still has. It's like the venti size Starbucks cup, and my guy's got beer in it. And it's like 11 a.m. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. So I love with the new live action Lilo and Stitch movie coming out.
It already came out.
No.
Yeah, it did. It
What?
did. Yeah.
When?
Like last week, maybe.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I didn't know either.
What world am I living in?
I don't even know where the seats are here.
I had no idea that it already came out. But anyways, everything is Stitch. Everywhere you go, especially the water park, there's a bunch of Stitch merch. See if I remember our spot. I think it's this way. There's the Lazy River. As I'm walking, I'm just remembering everything. Bunch of memories when this little heifer was like 5 and 6. That's one thing about Blizzard Beach.
Section. That's why
Yeah.
I remember this.
Yeah, but we gotta keep going across the bridge. It's like a little, like when we go to Crusher and Gusher and we chill like in that little pool area. That's where we will go and set our camp. All right, here we go. Here it is. This is where we would set up our stuff, right around here. Which, let's take these right here. Huh? Annie and Desi, this was their spot. The icebergs, and then their most favorite part was right here.
Do this one, Cam.
Which they might be a little too tall to do now that they're much older. Bruh.
What? I don't know what just happened. Maggie. Good girl, Maggie.
We'll resume moving momentarily.
Chairlift vibes. Here we go. kind of forgot I don't have little kids anymore, so they don't want to sit by the kiddie area. So we're gonna see if we can find some chairs by the beach. You know what I'm saying? So one thing that will always make Typhoon better than Blizzard is that they have the huge wave pool. This one is always like that. It's just the waves going up and down. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Typhoon has that huge wave. And then in between, it's just, you know, the water is not wavy all the time. That's something that I'm not a fan of, to be honest. The water is perfect. Ready for the water, ready for the water. Ready for a beer.
Puerto Rico. Orocovi.
Yeah, I know what
¿De qué
part.
barrio?
I just
Barrio Gato. I knew that, but
Bum, bum, bum,
and
bum.
you understand Spanish, so that's the nice thing is that even if you can't speak it, you'll still be able to like if they're like, oh, ¿dónde está el baño? You understand that, you can just point, you know?
but I can't put on my tag. I can't put habla español. I can't put that.
Right. I never got mine. I requested it and I never came in.
Well, you don't work there anymore.
When I worked there,
Bro,
I requested it and never came in.
De una viejita. Let's go through it, bro. So lunchtime, we're here at the Lotta Water Lodge. We gotta wait until it changes, but I just want to show you guys the menu. Right now, there it is. We got chicken strips, we got flatbread pizza, bacon burger. Jesse's gonna try that chicken and shrimp rice bowl. And they also have, there it is, Impossible Burger. Oh no, that's not it. It's not showing it right now. All right, so we got the chicken strips, we got the Impossible Burger, and I'm not gonna lie, these shrimp and chicken rice bowl looks very yummy. And it comes with some teriyaki sauce. So let's see what Desi thinks about it. Bro, that bowl looks bussin'.
Thank you.
Look at it.
Oh, this is cool. What did you get?
I got Impossible Burger.
That does not look like a burger.
Time for the beach house. After lunchy. Check out some merch. You want a tattoo? Free tattoo? What is it? Is it Stitch? Here. Mom, can I get this one? It's so nice.
That's so cute. It has all of them.
Can you get it from me?
No.
It's only $178. It's like Mickey Mouse better come to my house and help me put it on. Here's the Stitch corner, chilling like a villain. Got some fanny packs. Oh, little dress. Oh, I like this one. More dress. Oh, we got the Spirit jersey. All Stitch. We got some backpacks. We got some. Oh, we got some cups. Badness level rising. Ma,
Oh, we saw that at the store. Yeah, that was the cup.
we got a baseball jersey. 626. So freaking cool, but it's only for kid sizes. Oh, and then we got this little cup holder. So cool. There we go. Ooh, that was fast. There goes the chairlift. If you want to get on the big time one out there, gotta take the chairlift. Where is it? So this part or this side of the beach house, we got the water shirts. We got the really cool hats that are $35. Really cool. Blizzard Beach branded. The straw hats. Oh, never seen these before. Straw tumbler. And it's like soft, really nice. And they say Blizzard Beach. Very nice. We got the Blizzard Beach towel. This is just a regular t-shirt, Blizzard Beach. This is the actual UPF 50. And then we got this one as well. Very, very nice. I like this one a lot. And these are 55, which is pretty standard for quality water shirts. Splash proof bags. Blizzard Beach branded as well. Very nice. Oh, it was right next to the Stitch. Oh no, never mind. Hey, it's Olaf. And then here we got the kitty ones. This one is also water shirt material. Really nice. This one doesn't say Blizzard Beach, but you know, they're in the water theme. And then the Hawaiian shirt. Really cool. So I don't know if it's because it's been years since we've been to Blizzard. Wifey says she remembers them doing this, but they give you towels. Something that also I do not think they do at Typhoon. So if you need towels, you got towels. And then there's a towel return on the other side on the way out. And we are also on our way out. So that was a pretty relaxing Monday before work visit to the Blizzard Beach. As we wait for Typhoon Lagoon to open, which if I'm not mistaken should be around Memorial Day weekend, which is coming up here in a couple of weeks. So that's it.
High five.
Not today. So also wanted to show y'all the ticket prices. So ages 10 plus 74, kids 3 to 9 68. That's for a 1-day water park ticket.